We have seen the previous concept of digital twins, and now let's talk about another fascinating and highly useful technology known as scenario planning with simulation models. Imagine a global logistics company like FedEx trying to prepare for unexpected disruptions such as port strikes, sudden demand surges, or fuel price hikes. How can they predict outcomes and make informed decisions before real-world events occur? This is where scenario planning combined with simulation models becomes a game changer. Scenario planning is like imagining different futures, so that a business is ready no matter what happens. Instead of assuming only one outcome, managers think about several possibilities, such as what if customer demand doubles, or what if fuel prices rise sharply. By preparing for multiple futures, companies can make smarter and safer decisions. Simulation models, on the other hand, are like digital test grounds. They are computer-based models that represent real systems, such as a warehouse, a factory, or a delivery network. With simulations, companies can try out what-if situations without interrupting real work. For example, a retailer might build a simulation of its warehouse to test how fast orders can be packed if staff numbers are reduced or robots are added. This helps them find the best solution without risking delays in actual operations. Together, scenario planning and simulation give businesses confidence in uncertain times. The concept has been widely applied in supply chain and operations management since the 1980s, evolving significantly with advancements in computing power and AI. Let's understand how this technology works step by step. Our first step is defining objectives and variables. For example, forecasting warehouse capacity or delivery times under varying demand conditions. The next type is building the simulation model, where key processes like production, transportation, inventory, and labor are digitally replicated. Then comes running scenarios, where different conditions such as supplier delays, transportation strikes, or sudden demand spikes are simulated. Finally, analyzing results and making decisions allows planners to identify risks, optimize resources, and choose the best course of action before any disruption occurs. The uses of scenario planning with simulation models are widespread. One major use is in supply chain risk management, helping businesses prepare for unexpected supplier disruptions or logistics bottlenecks. Another use is in inventory optimization, where companies can simulate different stocking strategies to minimize holding costs while preventing stockouts. A third use is in capacity planning, allowing manufacturers to test production schedules under different market demand scenarios to maximize efficiency and minimize downtime. A top real-life case study is Procter & Gamble, which faced challenges in predicting supply chain disruptions across its global network. In 2019, P&G implemented advanced simulation models integrated with scenario planning to test different demand and supply scenarios. By virtually analyzing production schedules, supplier constraints, and transportation options, they were able to reduce supply chain risks, improve delivery reliability by 12%, and lower excess inventory by 8%, ensuring smoother operations even during demand fluctuations. So in a nutshell, we simply seen that scenario, planning with simulation models allows businesses to explore multiple futures, predict outcomes, and make proactive decisions with confidence. Hopefully you like this concept because it shows how combining strategic foresight with digital simulations can significantly enhance supply chain resilience and operational efficiency. That's an amazing learning I believe you have today, and a perfect example of how technology is reshaping modern supply chain planning.